Financial News Network. TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good Friday afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien coming to you live from TFNN, 12 noon Eastern time on Friday afternoon, middle of the trading day, and we got markets higher territory across the board after a weaker than expected retail sales number for the month of April this morning. We'll get into that in a moment. Right now, you have all the markets near session highs. S&P up 50 points, 41.57. You're up almost 130 points from where we were just early yesterday. The low yesterday, 4,029. We just climbed above 4160 briefly, and the S&Ps were trading 4157, up 1.2%. NASDAQ 100 up 1.7% right now, 13,328. You got the Dow up 0.8%, 34,213, and the Russell up 1.8%, 2207. Bitcoin up $2,900 at 51,275. Crude catching a bid, up $1.37 right now. That's 2.1% in the positive at 65.19. Gold catching a bid as well, up $16 or 0.9% in the positive at 18.39. And notes and bonds, we get some higher price and lower yield right now. The 10-year trading up a full, no, excuse me, that's not the 10-year. Shame on me. There you go. The 10-year up 8 ticks at 132.13. That's correlating to a yield. I'm going to pull it up right now. I think we're talking about a yield. Yes, we are. 1.63%, about 1.63% on the 10-year. The 30-year is up 19 ticks at 156.25. We'll jump over to the VIX. Volatility index pulling back under 20. Talk about a spike to 28.93. Just like that, we're under 20 to 19.52 in the volatility index. All right, let's jump over to that retail sales number. So we get a flat number for the month. Month on month for April, you had values of purchases declining in 8 of the 13, actually declining month over month. Now, we had a big month in March, actually revised upward to about 10.7%, but the month of April comes in at 0% month over month, and there it is, your revision, 10.7% for the month of March. You slide down to the action, though. When you get into digging deeper, some interesting statistics in that retail sales number. How about clothing stores dropping 5.1% after a 22.7% surge in March? Sales at non-store retailers, which include e-commerce, falling 0.6% in April. General merchandise sales falling 4.9%. A little bit of a pullback in the month of April. We'll see if those stories hold for the future. And as we finish it up, let's jump to some of the stocks with action today. Coinbase with their earnings, they're basically flat on the evening, and Disney down 3% on missed earnings last night as well. Stay tuned, folks. Larry's out today. We're going to replay this hour, but with Steve live at 1, Dave live at 2, Tom O'Brien.